we just finished installing a LEX4 VL2 in this vehicle, and we're going to show you how to access the VLine and how to get out of the VLine. To get to the VLine source, you're going to go to the CD changer, which in this car is the disc button. And then as you can see here, it's gone to the CD changer source. Now if we want to exit this, we do have two different options. You can go in here and add the factory UI shortcut, and you can use that to get out to here. And then if you want to get back into the VLine, just press the audio button and that'll bring you back here. And if you're on the VLine and you want to get out fully to a different source, you'll press the FM or AM button, whichever source you want, and then you'll press the audio button to go back to that. So in this vehicle, these older displays, you need to adjust a few settings to get them where they look a lot better. So we're going to go over that real quick. And the first area we're going to look is the factory display settings, which is the button right here. Now in here we have the contrast a little lower. It's like a quarter of the way up. And then brightness is right around the center. And that was where we saw it looked best with this display, but some displays might be a little worn out or might be going bad, and you might need to adjust those higher or lower depending on that. Now inside the VLine itself, we're going to go up here to these VLine settings, and we have these screen settings here. And the display offset is one that you'll need to adjust in most cases. It just depends on if the screen's centered or not. In this one, it was just slightly off, so we adjusted those there. And then in the touchscreen calibration, we did this especially on the older touchscreens. The calibration helps it be more accurate. And for that, you're just going to go around and press all the different spots. And once that's done, you can hit close. And for the brightness level here, the best way to do that is just to stay on this screen and watch the gray level here. As you adjust that up and down, you'll notice kind of major differences, especially in how bright it is, but also different waves happening with the different colors that we're using and how they are interpreted by the display. And for this one, we actually saw that around 48 was the best. And if you do see any like horizontal lines or kind of any defects going on in the background, we do recommend changing that a few times to find the best value.